Hi there, and welcome to a quick overview of sitemaps and how they can help with SEO. A sitemap is a file that contains a list of all the pages on a website, along with additional information about each page, such as the title, the date it was last updated, and its relative importance. Sitemaps are important for SEO because they help search engines like Google understand the structure and content of a website. They make it easy for search engines to discover and index new pages on the site. They can help improve the visibility and ranking of a website in search engines, which can drive more traffic and improve its overall performance. To create a sitemap, you can use a tool like the XML sitemap generator, which will automatically create a sitemap based on the pages on your website. You can then submit the sitemap to search engines, which will use the information to better understand your site and improve its ranking. In conclusion, sitemaps are an important part of SEO, and they can improve the visibility and performance of your website in search engines. Head over to localrankingninja.com to become an SEO ninja today.